up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Fall is almost here, and guess what that means? More transformation fall videos. I was in choir for many years, so for those of you who are about to comment, no ma'am, you shouldn't have done that. Moving on into this video, what you're gonna need is a shirt or sweatshirt, a pair of scissors. You can use a sewing machine or serger if you have one of those, but if you don't, the alternative will be glue. So you have E6000 glue, hot glue, fabric glue, or hemming tape. But the main two items that you are gonna need is the scissors and the shirt, so make sure you have those.
Starting off with your shirt of choice, I have this one inexpensive long sleeve from Walmart. We are going to take a writing utensil. So I have this pencil also from Walmart, and we are going to mark where we want to cut our top. I chose about here to be an appropriate length, so we're going to take it to the drawing table and use fabric scissors to cut that off. To create the flaps of the cardigan, I am going to take the top layer and just slip that down the middle. We are also going to cut the collar off because I want the hemming around the whole cardigan to be in sync. Taking some sewing pins, we are going to double fold and pin down the flaps to get ready for sewing. I just used a straight stitch, and since the material is cotton, I just use about a 2 for a tension setting. And be sure to remember to always backstitch. This is optional, but you can use buttons, which I got these at AliExpress, but with the excess material that we had cut off earlier, I am going to make some ties for the top part of the cardigan. I just cut 2 strips of fabric, sandwich folded, and then pinned them down to get them ready to be sewn up. This is my first time using Sergio. I used only 3 spools of thread. The green tension dial is at a 3, the red is at 8.5, and the yellow is at 8.5. And I just want to remind you guys, like I said, this is my first time using Sergio thoroughly through. So there will be more tutorials. I can't really explain what's going on. Just watch out for your fingers because there is a blade on the machine. And I am going to take this hooked metal rod to kind of reverse our now hemmed string. And since there is more than enough string, I went ahead and just snipped one of those in half to create 2 strings for our cardigan. I went ahead and attempted a lettuce hem on a serger, which uses the same method as the conventional sewing machine where you pull as you sew, and it didn't come out bad. Not the best, but something to definitely work with. But I also did that to the collar. If you made it this far in the video, please don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. And last but not certainly the least, the ties are going to be applied. I'm just going to double sew this with my regular conventional sewing machine using a straight stitch. See, nothing too fancy here. Can you guys give me a drum roll, please? Before and after.
I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, please give me a big fat thumbs up. Comment down below, did you like the creation? What more would you like to see on this channel? And until next time, guys, love y'all bunches.